too much hair there in the mustache. Too much mustache going into the beard. You gotta mesh the mustache with the beard. There is no distinction between mustache and beard in real life. It's just hair. It's all just hair. The hair doesn't know what it's called. The hair has no borders. All right, and now, moment of truth. So now we see things that we've missed. So my wife and I have been watching the. We started watching Narnia. The. You're getting hungry. You should really do something about that. So we finished the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, and then we started watching the next one, which is Prince. What's his name? Prince. Oh, I'm so bad. Prince Caspian. We are halfway through Prince Caspian. I've never read the book about Prince Caspian. Truth be told, I cheated a little bit. I cheated. I went to Wikipedia. I looked up the plot. Because it's a C.S. Lewis book, I was expecting there to be heavily, Bible symbolism and but apparently, I didn't want to spoil it for anyone out there, anyone who's listening. It is how many years old? 70 years old. So if you haven't read it by now, if you haven't watched it by now, it's not me who has spoiled it for you. But apparently it's... Of course, my wife is listening, so my wife is in the same room, so I don't want to spoil it for her. So easy for me to talk tough until I realize that my wife is in the house. But it's more historical. It's historical about England than it is about the Bible. So we've only gotten halfway through it. And we'll find out how it ends. I don't know the blow-by-blow plot. Don't know the plot blow-by-blow, but I do know the gist of what it's about. And now, this is where I was before, when I realized the grave error that I had made. Have you done something about your hunger, Yoshi? I usually eat the same thing every day before streaming. Every time I every time I do stream, I eat the same thing. Peanut butter jelly sandwich. Oh, you're going to run a class. Kit's Beardstone. Yeah, you need to eat. That's a good idea. Eat something before you run that class. How's it going, Kit? I am well. I am better than I deserve. Because the wages of sin is death. And Jesus took away my sin with his own death. So that is better than I deserve. As long as you keep that in perspective, as long as you keep that, keep reminding yourself, I deserve death. And as long as you're not dead, that means I'm better than I deserve.